It don't make no sense. Got me tripping in finesse. You know it, you know it. Hey everybody, it's your girl, AishaM, aka AishaMonet, aka what's good, what's poppin', what's going on, what's up, hey. So, the reason I'm talking like this is because I'm impersonating my favorite rapper at the moment, Cardi B, and I was really inspired by the look that she had on in the Finesse Bruno Mars video collaboration she did, and it was really cute. You know, it was definitely channeling 90s. It was definitely some fly girl in living color, living single aesthetic that was just so popular, and I'm really happy she brought it back. You know, the 90s are all around us. We have crop tops back, we have baggy jeans, we have the b-boy look, so it was definitely a on the pulse music video that they put out there. And so I decided to recreate her look, and I decided to add a little Cardi in my music video, aka my makeup tutorial, and really make this look poppin' and finessing and make this video, you know, everything. So if you want to see how I create this look and you want to see how I turn into my very own Cardi impersonation, you should keep on watching because the video is about to start now. So first things first, I'm going to use a bit of primer. So I'm going to use my Makeup Forever Step 1 primer and just apply this all over my face because, you know, you want your makeup to look nice and smooth and be cute, in the words of Cardi. Now that that's done, I'm going to prime my eyebrows with this Benefit Conditioning Brow Primer. Next, I'm going to prime my lips using this MAC Prep and Prime Lip Pencil. And next, I'm going to cover up my dark marks using this Urban Decay Naked Skin Color Correcting. Because, you know, you don't want to have some dark marks on your face peeking through your makeup, making it look all crazy. Like, you want it to look nice. So in the music video, Cardi, and even in like the flyer that she posted with Bruno Mars, she has really like a really natural finish to her face. So I'm not gonna go too heavy on the like contouring and the concealer, but I am gonna make it look like I have, you know, flawless skin. So that's what I'm gonna use the color corrector for. For foundation, I'm gonna use my L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Foundation. You know, this is an old favorite of mine. I just recently resurrected it from the archives with my, you know, favorite affordable products under $20 video. So I'm just gonna use it again because usually if I want like a really natural foundation, I would go for my Fenty Beauty, but I didn't get the foundation that matches my winter skin yet, so I'm just gonna go in with this. And the Huda is full coverage. You know, it's beautiful, but it does make you look like you have makeup on. It's very full coverage, and I want like a more subtle, but I need matte look. And she has a matte look going on in the music video as well. So this is like a nice compromise between the two. Now that the foundation is covered, I'm actually gonna start with my eyebrows because I also use the concealer that I put for my eyebrows as a primer for my eyes. So I'm going to take this Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Powder in the color Dark Brown, and I'm just going to line my eyebrows up, and y'all know the drill. And the eyebrows don't have to look like, you know, immaculate, because, you know, it's a 90s look, and in the 90s they actually have really thin eyebrows. I don't know if y'all remember that trend. The full brows was not a big thing. It was those little toothpick brows, and they also didn't carve out their eyebrows, so it doesn't need to look really clean, but I'm gonna have them look a little clean just for my peace of mind. So now that my brows are the way I want them to be, I'm going to just set them with this Chella brow gel. Cause you know, you want your eyebrows to be popping, you want them to look real cute, you want them to be like, oh girl, who's your brow lady? Cause I need to go to her, she everything. I think my brows look like everything. So I'm gonna clean up my brows with a little bit of ColourPop Concealer. Now that my eyes are concealed, we're gonna go in and do the face. So first things first, in the video, she kind of matches her makeup to her jacket, and her main color in her jacket was pink. So she did a pink ombre eye, and bright pink lips. Now, if you see my jacket, which my beautiful friend Omalalu has lent me, you know, show it off because I really like this jacket. One of the main colors that really pop is red. So I'm gonna do like a red ombre look. So it's gonna go red fading into a gold. So I'm going to revisit my Huda Beauty Obsessions palette. And it's not really a true red, they're more mauve-y, but a true red will be a little too garish. So we're just gonna go with like a mauve color. And first off, I'm going to use this as the transition color in my crease. And just take a little fluffy brush. And next, I'm going to take this maroon color and put that on the outer corner of my eyes and then go into my eyes a little further. So I'm gonna start in this outer area first and just really focus on it. And then I'm gonna take a little more, add it to the outer part of my eyelid, and then just go over my crease a little bit so that most of the powder goes into the outer corner of my eye. Just really, and it's actually a very simple look. It's only involving like 2 main eyeshadows. Just to darken up that look a little bit more, I'm gonna add a pop of this deep purple just to the outer corner, just to this section right here, and expand out. And the reason that I didn't do highlighting and contouring yet is because I'm going to use that concealer to clean up my eyes. So I wasn't really trying to, you know, be really clean about this look because I know I'm going to just use the concealer to camouflage any mistakes that I made. So in order to make that gold really pop, I'm going to add some concealer to my eye. And I'm only going to put this concealer to the middle of my eyelid. I'm going to use that fluffy brush and just go over my crease again just to make sure that some of that concealer that was on my eye, on the crease of my eye, is wiped away. Now I'm going to take this color Optimistic from the BH Cosmetics B palette and just put that over my eyelid to kind of set it as a base. And then I'm going to take the color Happy, this yellowy gold color, and put this on as well. And then to achieve that gold color, I'm going to take this Broad Shorts eyeshadow from ColourPop and put that right in the middle of my eyelid too. You know, you could always use some setting spray to really make this look pop, but it's not like a really bright gold. It's like a subtle gold so that it doesn't look so crazy from the pink. But I'm just gonna take that fluffy brush again in that Huda and take that same, you know, mauve color and just go back into the crease again in the middle and kind of blend it into that gold a little bit so it doesn't look so noticeable. And when you put a little bit of the purple onto the gold, it kind of becomes its own color and so it kind of melts in. I'm just going to add some of this color Grateful from the BH Cosmetics and put that on my brow bone. I'm not gonna do a wing because, you know, it was like a really fun look, but it had no wings, so I'm just gonna keep true to that. But I am gonna put some lashes on because she is extra and I know she would love some lashes. So I put some lashes on. These are the Fantasy Lashes by Eyelure and Anna Lee. Just something to really make the look pop. So I'm going to finish up my face, and you know, like I said, it's a really natural, simple look, and she does a lot of pink, so she has like pink blush on and whatnot, and I'm just gonna mirror everything but make it all red and gold. So next up, I'm going to highlight my face using a little bit of ColourPop's concealer. And then she has a really subtle contour, so I'm going to take a little bit of my Black Radiance concealer stick in the color 8003 and just add a little bit of definition to my face, but it's not really going to be a very harsh contour. I'm just going to set my highlight with a little bit of Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I don't bake, so I'm really just packing a good amount of the powder on, and then I'm just gonna wipe away this powder using a fluffy brush. I'm just going to add a little bit more powder to that contour, but I'm gonna go really light-handed and just make sure it's a really natural and subtle look. I'm gonna brush down the highlight a little bit just to make sure there aren't any crazy lines and that it all blends out. For blush, I'm using this MAC blush color in the color Raison. And it's just like a reddish but muted red because I don't want a garish, bright red blush that will look too much. So I'm actually gonna finish my eyes up. So I'm gonna go back in with this Obsessions Huda Beauty palette, and I'm going to take a tiny bit of this mauve color and just lightly line my bottom lash line. And I'm just going to darken it a little bit more with this deep plum color, but only to the middle of my bottom lash line. I'm gonna add some mascara, so I'm using the Falsies Push Up Mascara by Maybelline. Now I'm going to apply some highlighter, so I'm using my Ofra EverGlow Nikki Tutorials highlighter. And I'm just gonna go in with these two colors, the deeper gold and the medium gold, and kind of blend them together to create a nice little highlight and give it a little pop. And I'm going to take the lightest color in this highlighter palette and put this in my inner corner. Last but not least are the lips. So she does a bright pink lip, and I'm gonna do a bright red lip to match this look. And I'm gonna use a vibrant red, but I wanted to look a little bit more sophisticated than like a bright red. So I'm going to add a little bit of liner to just darken out the outer corners of my lips. So I'm gonna go in with my trusty and true Chestnut lip liner by MAC. And you know, lining your lips in the 90s was such a big deal, but they always used like black or like a really dark burgundy color. So I feel like I'm on brand with this lip liner. And I'm gonna finish it up with this ColourPop ElluvSarahii lip color in the color Arriba. So, hey everybody, this is the completed look. I think it's really cute. It matches my jacket perfectly well, just like Cardi's jacket matched her makeup exactly in the music video. I hope you like my interpretation of this look, and I'm gonna close it out in like a little bit of a Cardi B impersonation, and it's all love. But thank you all for watching my video. I think you think it's cute, right? I know I do. And I think you like my makeup, right? It's popping. It matches my jacket. It's cute or whatever. And so, if you like this look and you really want to see more of my videos, you know what you should do? You should leave a comment. You should tell me why you like this look. You should give me some likes. You should, you know, raise it up and, you know, give me some daps and appreciation and do all that. And you know what you gotta do? If you're not already, you should subscribe, because you want to see me every week and you want to know that I be posting videos and I be popping and my makeup be popping, and you want to be popping too. Then you need to be with this Barty gang, aka this Ishi gang, aka this AishaMonet gang, AA. So if you like this video and if you like me, you should subscribe and show me some love. And I'll see you next week in a new video, because I love you. Bye. One last thing, I'm having a house party and it's 90s inspired theme, you know, Harlem finessing and whatever. So I gotta go get ready for my party. So I'll see y'all later.